Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Crawley here. I thought I'd show you this really cool game that I found online as you are learning about a duck flying a plane, where you make your own paper aeroplane. Now unfortunately I haven't got the materials to make this at home, but I found this picture where these people have basically made like an aeroplane goal using a piece of card, cutting out some circles from it and then giving a point to each circle. As you can see, the circles are different sizes, so some will be harder to get your paper aeroplane through. Another way that you could do this, of course, is to maybe put some hoops or some targets in your garden or wherever it is you're throwing your aeroplane and get points for landing on or in the hoop. Okay, so what I thought I would do is show you how I make a paper aeroplane. I know the children really like playing with paper aeroplanes at school. So what you need to do, all you need to do is get yourself an A4 piece of paper, okay, and then you fold it in half lengthways. Okay, you fold it in half lengthways. You then open up your piece of paper. Okay, you take one corner and you fold that so that it joins to the middle line. You then do exactly the same with the other corner to fold up to meet that middle line, like so. Okay, I then fold the piece of paper again over to meet that middle line, again flattening the folds as you go, and then repeat on the other side like so, flattening, so you end up with a plane like this. I then fold it, okay, inwards, back on itself, so it looks like this. Okay, then I take the wings and I fold them back until they meet the bottom line of the piece of paper, so like that on that side, and then I repeat exactly the same, turn it over and repeat that onto that side. I fold it over. You can then open it up and there you go, there is your paper aeroplane. So this is the piece you hold at the bottom. What you might want to do is put a piece of tape over here so that it doesn't come apart, because as you can see that possibly could come apart quite easily when you're flying it. And there you go, fly your paper aeroplane. Have fun everybody, goodbye.